Students, myself Arif Pasman from MGSS Darbhanga. My dear students, today I want to teach you chapter 12, Government Services. My dear students, there are a number of organizations in our country such as the police, banks and post offices, hospitals, fire brigade and so on that help us in different ways to lead a comfortable life. Many of these organizations are run by the government. The government has separate departments that look after these organizations. Uh, what are government services? The services that the government uh, provides for the welfare of its people are called government services or public services. These includes requirements of citizens such as clean water, electricity, healthcare, protection against crime, the maintenance of law and order, and so on. These services are used by every citizen living in a country. It is the responsibility of the government to ensure the availability of these services. Different types of government services. The different types of government services includes maintaining law and order. The government is responsible for the safety and security of its people. Every citizen must be protected against all kinds of danger. They must also obey the laws. It is the duty of the police to enforce the laws of the land so that people can enjoy their rights. The police thus maintain order and peace in the country. They also protect public property. You can register a uh, complaint in a police station in case of theft or to report any other crime. Police stations are located in different areas of every city or town. A part form the police at the time of war. Our defense forces, the army, the navy, and the air force, protect the interest of the country and its people, especially on the borders. During the time of peace, our defense forces protect our country from any possible threat and disaster. Healthcare. Healthcare is one of the primary needs of people. Healthcare services are provided by the government in cities, towns, and many villages. The government also set up dispensaries in remote areas. Special health camps are regularly organized to make people aware of the facilities being offered by the government. The doctors in these camps tell people about personal hygiene and healthy habits and how they can prevent different diseases. Free medical checkups are done and medicines are distributed in these camps. Education is the necessary for the all round development of citizens. The contribution of India, the Constitution of India has given the children of 6 to 14 years of age the right to free and compulsory education. To ensure this, the government runs many schools across the country, even in remote villages. The government has launched programs such as the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and the Midday Meal Scheme to educate children and increase school enrollment and attendance from every section of the society respectively. These programs are especially meant to educate children from the poorer section of the society and improve the uh, nutritional level among them. The government also runs many colleges and universities to provide higher education to its people. Banking service. Banks play an important role in citizens' lives. Citizens deposit their money in banks to keep it safe. Banks lend this money to the public as loans. In other words, people who need money for business, higher studies, or for purchasing a home or a car can borrow it from its banks. That's all.